Welcome to my channel guys. It's a time where we are searching for places without any crowd because of the ongoing pandemic. In this video, I'll be telling you about one such place called Medak, which is around 110 kilometers from Hyderabad. So I'll tell you about 4 places that you shouldn't miss when you plan for a ride to Medak. If you are new here, show your support by subscribing to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified about the future videos. Without further delay, let's get started. Medak Fort. The history of this fort dates back to the 12th century. It was built during the reign of Kakatiya ruler Prataparudra, and later it was carried over to Bahmanis and Qutub Shahis as time passed. But now the fort is almost in ruins, but it has witnessed battle scenes for almost 5 centuries. You can enjoy the ruined fort, which is a blend of Hindu and Islamic architecture and the picturesque view of the landscapes. This fort is spread over an area of 100 acres and have an elevation of about 90 meters. Once you start climbing up, the view gets better and better. Once you reach to the top of the fort, you can see a mosque which is built by the Qutub Shahis in 17th century. Presently, there is a police outpost and transmission towers on the top of this fort. One side of the fort, you can see the complete Medak town, and the other side, it is filled with paddy fields. It was a beautiful view. It took us around 1 hour to explore this fort, followed by the mandatory photo sessions. After exploring the Medak fort, next we went to Medak church, which is around 2 km from here. It's such a beautiful church in Gothic style. The church, which was built in 1924, is one of the largest churches in India. Church timings are from 5 am to 6 pm. Third on the list is Pocharam Dam. From Medak church, Pocharam Dam is at a distance of 16 kilometers. Pocharam Reservoir is constructed across the Alair River. It's a tributary of Manjira River. So you can walk over this dam, which is around 1 kilometer to reach to the other end. This is a place in which you can have a beautiful sunset view. Fourth place to visit on your visit to Medak is this Nizam's Bungalow. It is very near to the dam. It is also known as Ghost Bungalow. This bungalow was built in 1918 AD, which is now abandoned. This bungalow looked really scary in the dawnlight, and silence of the surroundings add more to it. So these are the 4 places that you shouldn't miss on your visit to Medak. If you have visited Medak already and you know more places near this area, let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries or suggestions, let me know in the comment section. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.